Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to make a paper bat. This simple craft is perfect for decorating your room for Halloween. You'll only need one sheet of A4 paper. Take the sheet and fold it in half. Unfold it. Fold the bottom right corner to the center. Do the same with the left corner. Fold the top part down to the line, as shown in the video. Unfold and fold the top part again to the new line. Fold the top right corner down. Do the same with the left corner. Now, fold the entire top part down. Lift the bottom corner up. Flip the paper over and fold the same corner down. Flip it back. You should now have a shape like the one shown in the video. Fold the right part to the marked point. Do the same on the left side. Unfold. Use the new points to make a fold. Hold the point with your finger and fold the right side inward. Now take this corner and fold it down, then up and down again. You should have 4 folds in total. This forms the bat's wing. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Do the same on the left side. First, fold sideways along the point. Then fold the wing down and up 4 times. Now fold the top corner down then lift it up so the distance from the fold to the edge is about the same. Tuck this corner into the pocket. Fold the top corner down and up again. The fold should be no longer than ½ centimeter. Follow the points shown in the video to shape the wing. Press the fold well. At this point, fold the wing so that the line is parallel to the base. Press only the lower part. Two new points appear. Fold along them. Do the same on the other side. Fold up, then down. Along this point, up, then out. Now lift the wings along the new fold lines. Your beautiful paper bat is ready. You can make several and decorate your room for Halloween. I wish you creative inspiration and see you in the next video.